Can you remember who you were before the world told you who you should be? I was just a normal kid, a normal student who was attending his daily classes just before 4 years. What has changed? Why do people see me with different eyes right now? Well, I'm not sure of what exactly happened, but if there's one thing that I've learned in my life till now, it is this. Do what your heart tells you to do. You're not bound to follow the orders and become a slave that they want you to be. Learn what you want to learn, do what you want to do, just prove them wrong. Never forget this.